Smells yummy. So this is lavender and rose. This is just rose, but dried rose. So it's different scents of rose because it's rose leaf in different forms. So this is fresh. This is dried lavender. So boil to get a strong scent, right? Let me just boil it. And then I'm gonna strain after it cools down. So it's a quick boil, strain after it cools down, and then I'll have my rose water. So like I said in the video or earlier, most times batwa distilled water to make rose water. Yeah. But then there's also a way of you boiling it like this and then like having like a glass lid over it. A glass lid over it. Yeah, so let's say you have a pot and you have a lid eso. So you boil the rose gamufate using tap water. You boil the water in the pot with the fresh roses. And then as the water boils in there, then obviously, and then you get something else to cover here so that the water that comes out of the steam that comes out of here, it distills. And then those droplets, that's your rose water. Right, I'm also going to do that just to have a small bottle of distilled rose water, but the rest I'm just going to strain from the rainwater. So this will be distilled rainwater, aka rose water. Come on, yes. So this bottle had aloo in it. It has aloo. So I had made an aloo mixture, facial something, and then I added rose water to it. So I had bought rose water, so I just poured it into the bottle, and it sat infused of the aloo. Now I'm making my own rose water from rainwater. Um, and this liquid that you see is from the distilled water that I've collected already. So it's mixing with the oils that are already in here with the aloe. This time I'm adding dried rose. It's not too dry, it's probably 2 days dry. And then the rest I'm gonna use for my rose and pomegranate oil. Okay, so we're still distilling here. I'm still adding more water to this bottle. Well, this tincture, non-alcoholic tincture, if I can call it that, is mainly for my face. So it's for my skin. Rosemary is good for skin. So I'm adding some dried rosemary in there. Remember, the boiling water already has lavender in it, and lavender isn't so bad for skin. Hemp seed oil, just the last of it. Very, very last of it. I don't know if you can see the difference. The bottom is the rose water, and then the top is the hemp seed oil. So I have 2 different roses in here. I have white and pink. Now, because it was thick, I want it thick, I shake the oil and the water together to make a thick consistency. It's as good as blending it, basically. Blending oil and liquid. This is just so that everybody gets to know each other. Yeah. So something for my face. I don't know what to call it, but I need it. That's why I made it. It's gonna feel good, I know. Of course, it's gonna have some benefits.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I used a cloth to strain the roses, right, that were boiling in the rainwater. They look like paper, so delicate, so pretty with the lavender. So I'm gonna let this cool, and then I'm gonna add it to my pomegranate and rose oil. So this oil game, it has rosemary. I think it also has a bit of my pomegranate and rose oil, but it also has citrus. Yeah, those are rosemary twigs, cinnamon, yeah, olive oil. I'm straining it because there's some salt in it as well. And I might just want the oil. I don't want any more type of herb in this bottle, because down here we have the rose and pomegranate pulp. Not even pulp, but yeah. So I've been adding oil over it for the past 2 years. And now I'm just reusing other things and adding other things to keep it going. So the longer it stays, the stronger it is. And adding some more rose to it. Fresh and dried rose will keep it for longer.